Do you know the smoke that is come from soldering iron is very unhealthy? So in this video I will show you how to make a DIY fume extractor. So for the parts we need all those components. But first, let's do the schematic. So the schematic is done. So here it goes in 220 volt and it goes out 12 volt. So the speed controller we need LM317. And here is the potentiometer, here 1K resistor, and this is the input and output.
Alright.
And now take a piece of PCB and put all the components where you want.
Bring around the rosy, pockets full like OD. I can move just how I move, cause don't nobody know me. Low key, still do more numbers than your fate. You can hate, but you can't say that I've been missing any place, any food, what it do, moving quick, bustin' moves, steps ahead, cause I'm out working while you tryna catch a snooze. Keep it smooth, not concerned with other dudes or what they do. Keep it true, I kick the truth. I'm not here so I could lose. Yeah. How'd you like it back to the bank? Tell her on us. Put in overtime so I do what I wanna. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Full court press, none stress when I work on. Full court press, none less than a.
So we need a heatsink because it gets hot. Use some glue and stick it.
To the top from the surface, yeah. And I stay humble. Hit me for a feature, don't you come with no petty numbers. Talking about some leverage, but you been had plenty from us. Fed you for the low so I could double when the any coming. You can't take a penny from us. Full court press, Bobby Knight with my attitude. You wouldn't understand, so I can't be mad at you. You ever had to roll coins to get to the next week? Working for the 10, had to rush to the 10 and 2.
So those are the parts for the case. Now let's make it the case.
I don't do this for Instagram. This is real life for real. My real life for real. For real. So I do what yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Full court press, none stress when I work on. Full court press, none less than a honor. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain on. Full court press to the top from the surface.
So for the LED I'm using 5.1 kilo ohm resistor. And don't forget to use a heatsink for the security. Now secure the switch and the potentiometer. I am using this motor. It's very powerful, and now let's connect it and put all the parts back. I am putting this piece of acrylic to make it more beautiful. So let's see if it works. It works perfect.
I've been watching you for a while. I know you look at me the same way. You move up close but you don't speak. I have to look the other way. But curiosity is killing me. It gets the better part of me. Watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me.
I'm using this tube because it make it more professional.
I gotta know. One step away, I want you. Don't wait too long. Baby, don't go and mess it up.
So it works everything perfect. Now it's time to enjoy the review. Bye!
Yeah.